Have you ever found yourself reacting to a situation in a way that you didn't want to? Well, this is called a conditioned response. It's a learned behavior that doesn't serve us, that has come from a program that you've created in your brain that you now call a habit. The good news is we can change these responses. By becoming aware of your conditioned responses, writing down the things that trigger you and your response to them, you can then have a look at replacing them with healthier ones. We can improve your mental health and your emotional well-being by practicing this ongoingly. It's all about identifying your triggers and the responses to them and then replacing them. It's not always easy, but with practice, it's possible to break free from old habits and create new ones that serve us better. Namaste.